Hi, Linda Sessions here, and welcome to week 5 in computer applications. Can you believe we are over halfway through with class? Last week you started in Excel. Now Excel is the spreadsheet program for Microsoft Office, and based on past experience, some of you are like going, oh my gosh, I love Excel, and some of you are going like, oh my gosh, the Excel is the worst thing ever. Not a lot of middle ground with Excel, but hopefully you've learned some new things as you've been working on it. So let's go into Blackboard and see what's going on. This week we are looking at Excel 3, the capstone. So you actually only have 3 assignments that are due this week. You've got the training for Excel Module 3. You have Project 1, 7 Summits Group from Excel 3. And then you have the capstone, Insight Healthcare Consultants. And that Healthcare Consultants covers stuff that you learned in Chapters 1, Chapters 2, and Chapters 3. Highly recommend that you follow this timeline to do the assignments this week. So here is a suggested timeline for completing your assignments this week. First off, take the time to read through that e-text. 15-20 minutes, you can go page by page, look at the graphics, read the different processes. After you've done that, then do the training. Training might take you a little bit longer to do, but it's covering everything that you need for Chapter 3. Then take the time to watch the YouTube video for that project. So for the 7 Summits group, if you're getting ready to do that one, watch that video from start to finish, then go in and start working on your project. Once you've submitted that project, remember to review that graded report, and you can go back in and make changes as needed. Your highest grade is what counts. So if you start early in the week, then you are going to have enough time to get through and to look at your graded report and to go in and see, well, what is it telling me to do? I know I have students that don't start work until Sunday at 6 p.m. and they don't have time to make changes and to go back through because assignments are due Sunday night. So start working early in the week. I know it's not easy, especially if you have a family, you're working full-time, and you have other classes besides this one. But if you set aside the time early in the week and start doing it a little bit on Monday, then you're going to find that you're going to have enough time to get everything done, and the class will be a little bit easier if you take the time to follow these steps. I know watching those YouTube videos, some of them are 20-25 minutes long. You're like, I'm just going to do the project as I'm watching the video. Trust me. Watch that video first and then go in and do that. It'll save you a lot of headaches down the line. So this week is Excel Chapter 3 and the capstone. So there's 4 assignments that are due this week. As I've stated before, I am here if you need me. Reach out. We can do a Zoom meeting. I can work my schedule around your schedule and figure out how we can get together to see what's going on. I do my best to look and answer the emails that you send me and also to get things graded. In fact, all of your Word assignments are graded if you go into the gradebook now, and you'll see that is everything that has been turned in through Word. I am here for you. Reach out if you need me. In week 5, we've got the 4th of July. Hope you're safe. Have fun. You have some time to spend some time with some family and friends and maybe watch some fireworks. Stay cool. We've got the heat hitting our way now, and that doesn't help with how we're feeling, does it? So make sure that you set aside the time, that you are eating healthy, getting the rest you need, and reach out if you need help. Have a great week.